This video walks through the different features of the California Weather Web Tool and how to use it. First, the tool is housed on UC-ANR's Small Grains Agric. To navigate from the home page, go to General Production, then click on the California Weather Web Tool link. If you want to navigate straight here, note the URL. Once you are at the tool, the first step is to place the marker on the location of interest. Data is available for the state of California on a 4-kilometer grid. You can click or drag the marker to a location of interest. You can also put a set of coordinates or even an address in the search bar. Finally, the map behaves like a regular Google map and allows you to switch to satellite view to help locate the place of interest. Next, you will want to choose the dates you are interested in. Note that the date range cannot exceed 1 year and must begin and end within a single water year. The California water year begins on October 1st. You can look back historically to anything after January 1st, 2009, but if you're looking at current dates and are in one of the major agricultural valleys of California, a 10-day forecast will be available. The default dates start at the current water year and go out to the 10-day forecast. You can type to change these dates or select from the drop-down calendar. Once you are happy with your selections, click Next. This submits all the information entered so far and triggers the web app to fetch all the data from the current year and the historical averages for comparison. If you scroll to the bottom, you can see the progress bar. The second page is a direct result of your selections on the first page. The top there is a summary of the precipitation over the date range chosen and how it is different from the historical average over the previous 10-year period. Then there are two graphs, one of precipitation and one of max-min temperatures for the location you chose over the date range you chose. These graphs are interactive. You can hover over the lines to see the data behind them. You can also click on the lines in the legend to remove them and look at a subset. You have the ability to zoom into areas of interest and then auto-scale back easily. You can also download these plots as PNG files for outside use. If you want to look more closely at the data used to make these graphs, you can press Download CSV. If you want to change your selections, you can always go back and adjust. Finally, for more information, the info circle in the top right-hand corner gives more information about the data sources, the creators of the site, the funders of this project, and some contact information if you have any additional questions.